Hi, and welcome to your next episode of Cooking with Nichole. Today we're going to have a fun little experience, and we're going to make some low-carb strawberry sugar cookie sandwiches. Right? So good. So what I'm going to be using to make these sandwich cookies is the Good D's sugar-free cookie baking mix. You can pick this mix up at Strong Pour Nutrition Bar in West Fargo, North Dakota. And they do have a website that you can order off of, or you can simply call the Strong Pour Nutrition Bar at 701-205-3088 to pick up the baking mix. If you didn't want to do that, I know there are a number of low-carb sugar cookie recipes out on the web. You can certainly use those if you would like. For the simplicity of things and to make this every day, I'm going to be using the baking mix. So what I have done is I have already pre-made the cookies, and they've been cooling now for a little over an hour, and that is important that you prepare the mix per the packaged instructions and then let them cool completely, because if they're soft, they're going to be crumbly and they're going to be more difficult to put the filling on. And so we've already lined them up or given them their battle buddy. I compared their individual sizes, and so these will mash together and make a really nice sandwich. So what we're going to fill these awesome sugar cookies with is a strawberry filling made with some cream cheese. So I've got 4 ounces of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of butter, and these both have been softened at room temperature for about a half hour, because remember, it's always important to soften your cream cheese and butter, otherwise they'll get clumpy while you're mixing it. I have a cup of Swerve Confectioner's sweetener. Now you can use more than the 1 cup. Everybody I've found has a different preferred taste for their level of sweetness, and so if a cup doesn't quite do it for you, you can certainly add a little bit more, but I'm going to start out with 1 cup. We're going to do a half of a teaspoon of some vanilla extract. You could also use almond extract, which I really kind of was hoping to use almond extract, but I don't have any on hand. I think the almond and strawberry flavor would be superb, but unfortunately I don't have any on hand, so we're going to just use the vanilla. And then I have picked up some low sugar strawberry preserves. You can use any low sugar or sugar-free preserve or jam to make this recipe. If you didn't want to add this, if you wanted to pull the carb factor down even more, you could leave the jam out and just flavor it with the extract, whether it's the vanilla or the almonds. There's a number of fantastic extracts out there that can offer some flavor. Peruse your baking aisle sometime and you'll find how many awesome extracts that are out there. And the sky's the limit. You can pick out whatever pleases you. So in my mixing bowl here, isn't my beautiful mixer just awesome? My amazing husband and family gave that to me for Mother's Day last Sunday. I was pretty excited. If you want to see a girl get happy, give her a mixer when she likes to cook. So what I'm going to put in here is our cream cheese, the 4 ounces, and the 3 tablespoons of butter. And then we are going to put in our half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm just going to eyeball this. And if you get a little heavy-handed, no big deal, just added flavor. We're going to put the 1/4 of a cup of the strawberry preserves, and then our cup of confectioner's sweetener. And it's just all in the bottom of the bowl there. I'm going to move this out of the way, and we're going to slip it underneath and secure it. Lock it down, and we're just going to turn it on and mix it together until it's good and smooth and well combined with very minimal lumps or clumps from the cream cheese or butter. So I'm going to stir this together, and we'll bring you back when we're frosting the cookies. All right, so we've got the filling all mixed up from the stand mixer. You could have also used a hand mixer, or even a food processor would work well. As you can see, it's a really pretty faint pink color from the strawberry preserves. If you wanted to brighten the color, you could even drop a drop of red food coloring down into it just to make it fun and special. I will report that because I'm an impatient person, I had to try the filling while it was mixing. And that 1 cup of Swerve confectioner's sugar, perfect. Actually bordering a little bit on the sweet side. So if you wanted to even pull it back a little bit to maybe 3/4 of a cup, it would be plenty sweet, I promise you. But wow, that is incredible. I am super excited to get them sandwiched between these cookies and see what the real meal deal is here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take 2 of my paired cookies, and we're going to flip the one side over, and I have a spreading spatula. This is just kind of a fancy little knife with a rounded end on it and more of a spatula, and it helps to smooth frostings and creams onto cookies, or if you're making like a dip or something of that nature. And you're going to want to put approximately about 2 tablespoons of the filling onto the cookie, and how much ever you would prefer, but of course that's going to change the nutrition facts information if you would put more than 2 tablespoons in between. And then we're just going to top it with the second cookie. Kind of push them together, and voila, there you go. You've got your sugar cookie strawberry filled sandwiches. Each one of these, or using the package mix with the Good D's, the Good D's packet or pouch makes 12 cookies. And so 1 cookie being a serving size per the package. When we're making it into a sandwich, you're going to get 6 cookie sandwiches. The calories are 353 calories, 9.7 grams of net carb, and 6.4 grams of protein. Still really an affordable treat when you think about it. It's under 2 teaspoons of sugar or under 10 grams of carbohydrate. Did you know that 1 Oreo cookie, just the regular stuffed Oreo cookie, is 2 teaspoons of sugar? Look how much bigger this is and how pretty it is, and I guarantee you it does not sacrifice on flavor, and in my opinion, way better than any store-bought Oreo cookie. I hope you enjoy your sweet deal for today. A lot of fun with cooking, and you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.